What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Chule Asia Diaries. For today, we're going to do a reaction video for the ASAP XP Beanie performance. I'm so excited to check this out. Fresh from their Coachella debut, ay nagbabalik nga ang Beanie on stage sa Araneta with the ASAP XP concert. Akalain nyo, may concert ang ASAP sa Philippines. At ito ang kanilang rebranding as ASAP XP. So, none other than to open the show kundi ang Pinoy Pride Beanie. But before we proceed, guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Chule Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Wow. Oh, ASAP Experience. Ganun yon. Feeling ko yung pantropiko ang ipe-perform ng Beanie. Yes. Ay, oo. Yung Coachella arrangement. Sobrang ganda ng performance ito, guys. I love it. So, very Filipino, no? Yung mga instrument. Kabog din yung mga dancers, eh. Grabe, yung dami tao. Puno ang Araneta. Araneta to, guys, right? Eh. Bongga rin ang stage. Ay, grabe yung crowd. Oh my God, pati yung outfit pa Coachella. Kabog. Ay, long hair si Gwen. Love it. Diba, tumayo lang sila dyan, guys. Pero, grabe ang sigawan. Hey! Oh my God, nakaka-proud naman. Now they're performing in front of Filipinos. Hey! Grabe. Iba ang dance move energy. That's how you open the ASAP experience. Eh. Grabe, ganda ng hair talaga niya. Si Stacy ba yan, guys? Ay, hindi. Si Stacy pa, magkakamukha kasi sila, guys. Go. Go, Joanna. Ganda ni Aya dun. Eh, oh my God, gusto ko yon. Shouting Pilipinas, same as what Maloy did in Coachella. No, nakaka-proud. Ganda ng kulay ng buhok ni Colette. Saka I love that layered wavy hair. Eh. Grabe, ganda ni Gwen. Siya talaga yung sultry sa walong bilig. Live vocals, guys. Go, Aya! Iba din talaga to si Aya. Face card. Yan si Stacy. Tama ba? Oh my God! Parang mali-mali na naman ako. Hindi, feeling ko ito si Stacy talaga, yung pink hair. Kasi alala ko siya sa Coachella. God! Ang swerte ng mga naka-witness ng live performance nila. Iba talaga ang hatak ng isang Mika, guys. Nations girl group talaga. Grabe yung reception ng audience. Iba ang sultriness ni ano. Ay, gusto ko yung mga pag anong harmonization. Diba? Kantang-kanta si ate doon, guys. Eh, ito yung pure dance talaga. Grabe. Grabe si Sheena dun, oh. Eh, grabe, power dance kung power dance, guys. Oh. Wow, iba talaga. Grabe yung power dance ito. And I love the arrangement. Parang na-reprise yung Pantropiko, no? Give na give sila Joanna. Eh, grabe, naririnig yung ng mga beats. Diba? Ang tindi ni Stacy doon. Ay, ni Sheena. Wow, sino yung nag-vocal flare? Hey! Oh my God! There you have it, guys. That is Beanie performing Pantropico, the Coachella version in the ASAP XP or ASAP Experience. Yes, I love the new branding of ASAP. At hindi na sila for afternoon, guys. Panggabi na ang ASAP. 5 p.m. every Sunday. Kaya naman super exciting. And of course, iratan din natin na iba pang performance ng ASAP XP. Kaya naman abangan niyo sa susunod nating video. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now. Thank you.